Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and delete Google location history properly, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Google homepage by typing www.google.com in the address bar. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. On the left sidebar, click on Data and Personalization. Scroll down to find the activity. Click on the option labeled Location History. You will see a toggle switch for Location History. If you want to pause your location history, toggle the switch to the off position. After pausing, you can continue to download your existing location history. To download your data, go back to the Data and Personalization page. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Click on Download your data. A new page will open with a list of Google services you can download data from. Deselect all options except Location History. Scroll to the bottom and click on Next Step. Choose your preferred file type and delivery method. Click Create Export. Wait for Google to prepare your data, which may take some time. Once the export is ready, you'll receive an email notification. Now, to delete your location history, return to the Location History page. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Delete all location history. A confirmation window will appear. Read the warning and confirm that you want to delete your history. After confirming, your location history will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone. You have now successfully downloaded and deleted your Google location history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.